Hi there, and welcome to another video of Made with Cables. My name is Mark, my handle on the forums is Andrew, and today I'll be giving you an introduction to the transform element op inside of cables. So here I have a main loop and a clear color op, and here I have a div element left over from the previous tutorials. Now if you want to recreate what you see here, just create a div element, go to the style, and just pause the video and type in the text that you see here. Great. Now normally if you want to position a HTML element on the screen, you'd normally use CSS styling like this. So I could do left 10%, semicolon, save. Top 20%, save. Now because this is a percentage, it's going to scale along with the canvas like this. If I'd want to make it fixed, I'd do something like 100 pixels and then 100 pixels and save. And now if I change the canvas size, as you can see, it's fixed with the top and left. Now the other way that we can do it is we can just get rid of this, do Control S. And now what we do is we go to the DOM element output here, we pull it out, and we grab the transform element op. Move the HTML element to the current transformation in screen space. I'm going to add that. Need to trigger. I'm going to connect it to main loop. And as you can see, the div element has now moved down to the bottom right. So I'm going to put a line vertical and a line horizontal on center. Now here we can use the scale. We could also rotate it. Let me put that back to 0. So how do I move it left, right, up or down? Well, we go in between because now it's in screen space. And we just add the transform op, like you would normally move 3D objects around inside the cables. And now I can use position X and position Y to move it around. Now the handy part with this is you've now got a transform hierarchy like you normally would with other cable ops like the cube or the circle meshes. So I can just copy this whole thing here, and it's not going to look great, but it's just to show you how this can work. So I'm going to use this as the parent, I'm going to connect this, and now I'm going to put the transform at 0, 0. So both div elements are now overlaid with each other. I'm just going to pull this down for now. So as you can see, I've now got two div elements, and the best part is I can now move this transform and move them as a group together. Okay, I hope this video has been useful. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them under the video below or to post them on the forums. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.